wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a great weekend. God bless everyone and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Just wanted to bring a little weekend update. Right now Bitcoin has had a good move down. We lost that intraday VWAP. And she come right down to this golden pocket we're at now. Right around this spider line. Looking at the 1 hour market cipher B, it looks like we are trying to gain some momentum here. Looks like we could get a good curve on the money flow. Our RSIs are low. Green. Still not coming up. Still not with a good curve up yet. If we lose this golden pocket, I'd expect to come down to this Q3 VWAP that's running right with this spider line. Now you could just wick down to it and hold above this 0.5 and continue momentum to the upside on market cipher B. You do have the 3 yellow X's. Okay, now there could be a fourth, right? There could be a fourth, but we're gonna watch market cipher B here. Go to the daily. I know we only have like 2 hours left. Yeah, 2 hours left before the daily closes. The red dot, what is that? Yesterday, confirmed yesterday. Money flow's coming out. Money flow is coming out on the daily. Now, if we don't hold, we very well could. We very well could hold the golden pocket. But if we don't, and we start making lower lows, right? We start taking some of these lows out. Within the next week or two, I would expect us to be probably around 85K. This Q3 VWAP makes sense. Worst case scenario, you lose that. There is a volume. There is a low volume profile right here. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Yeah, so you lose, we'll call it 87. You lose 87. Where this Q3 VWAP spider line here, you start losing 87K, you can expect a pretty volatile and quick move down. Probably to about 77. Okay, the value area low right here. In between these two VWAPs. That's if we start to lose 87K. Now let's see what she's looking like on the 20. No, we'll do 15. See if we're getting any kind of bull divs put in on the 15 here while we're at this golden pocket. It could be a good place for a bounce. Not really. Looks like they're gonna start getting higher. Your RSIs are coming together. Money flow still in the red on the 15. It looks like she's still coming out. But looks like we could start seeing some bull divs for bounces off of this golden pocket. Now I would look for rejections around the previous day or your intraday VWAP right here. You're about to get a reset. So I would mark this level. I would put an anchor VWAP to keep running with this one. And look for a rejection off of that. Let's go to the 1 hour to get some better levels. Now, if you do get above your intraday VWAP right there at 99, you got more resistance. Okay, and let's go to the 4 hour. Now it looks like you are trying to bottom out here on the 4 hour at this golden pocket, but this very well could lead to bull divs, which would call for lower prices, which could possibly be in the low 90s, perhaps even 88, 87K. A very key level you would have to hold right here to avoid dropping into that low volume area. Okay, so these are some key areas to watch. We'll go over them one more time just to make sure. You're at the golden pocket right now. And golden pocket starts at 96.7. We'll call it 96.8. So you're going to want to hold 96.8. We could be seeing a bounce. Now, what would we want to see on market cipher B? To get enter a trade right now, I need better bull divs for sure. I need money flow coming up, start to curve up with the RSIs tight and green, moving to the upside. Got a lot of BitBoy green dots, right? And they are getting higher as prices come down. They're still under the 60 line. So I'd like to see a couple above the zero, a couple of nice bull divs above the 0 or 60 line. I've been trying to correct myself on that. I'm always getting stuff mixed up, but doesn't matter. I'll get better. That money flow's curving up, and then we want to see it on the 30-minute as well. Yeah, you can see since the crash has begun, we've gotten lower. We've gotten lower on the 30-minute as well. So right now we need to see momentum. We need momentum to start coming up to confirm this bounce. If not, if we keep playing under this 60 line, there's definitely potential for more downside. I mean, more potential for downside. What is that, a red dot 30 minutes ago? Yeah, it's about to print a new candle here. So we're probably, we need momentum coming up, money flow curving up, RSIs tight, they are green. Yeah, I'll stick to the 30 and the 1. So that's what we're looking for, to confirm a bounce off of this, to potentially enter long off of this golden pocket. Right now, I wouldn't, because your VWAP is still coming. It's coming down, and it's about to cross over the 0 line, which potentially could bring price down even more. Okay, and we got to make sure we're making bull divs. We can't just have momentum chopping it up like it is, because you've made some pretty good lower lows, but not really good. Momentum is getting higher a bit. I mean, we're trying to get a bit of momentum going, but you need to start opening some green candles and start seeing some green candles print with these lower lows above this 60 line here. And it just doesn't seem like we're gonna get it, especially with this VWAP curving straight down. You can see in the next 5 minutes. Let's see. 5 minutes, seconds. See, I'm always getting my stuff mixed up. Okay, there's a fourth one. We said there could be a fourth one. There she is. You're getting another red dot. VWAP. VWAP is important to watch on market cipher B. She's curving. She could curve right back up, and this be your bounce. But that momentum, you got a red dot right here. And this could lead lower, like it could make a deeper wave than what we have right here now, and that would invalidate all this bullish momentum that's trying to build up. You would have to start playing the new anchor wave. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. If we do get the bounce, I would expect a rejection around 100K. We'll call it 100K. Maybe 98.5, honestly, 98.5, that intraday VWAP, she can act as strong resistance, okay? So 98.5, and then you get above that, I'd look for another rejection at 100. And we're probably going to come down a bit. We're probably coming lower, honestly, because you got the red dot printed, VWAP's coming down on the daily, money flow's coming out. We have a new weekly candle coming in 2 hours, but looking at this weekly money, it's already rejected off the 0 line, okay? Already rejected off the 0 line. And these are bear divs. These will be bear divs once again on the weekly. Well, it's already, ignore what I just said. And the monthly is clipping the red dot on major divergence, since this isn't my Coinbase chart, but since 2018, we're just diverging on the monthly, okay? So we do have a correction coming. There is gonna be some bleeding on the way. And see, that's not good on the 2 hour. You're just getting lower, right? You're just getting lower on your momentum. Now, you have made a lower low. And here, you haven't taken this. You could still play this. These can still be your bull divs to this. If we're looking for a bounce at these levels. But it looks like momentum's just going to continue to get lower. You got a green dot. Money flow is coming up. RSIs are down there and tight. Your VWAP's coming up. This just reset. Okay, so we're just putting in this green dot. It just started to print. We'll have to watch. It. This could be a bounce, but how much higher? It's hard to say because it just feels like we have more downside. Probably to the 80K range. Probably right down to this. I think that's too low. I think right here. I think if we want to continue higher, you want to see more all-time highs. We'll have to hold that 87K. If not, we'll hit the low volume. That'll probably take us right down to 76, 75K. This value area low here. We'll keep an eye on her. I'll be back. I'll try to do I want to do another video today when the market resets. But those are just key levels to watch. And that'll do it for me, guys. I hope everyone has a good day. I'll be back later. I'm out.